Hello everyone. Welcome to our exciting journey exploring the different means of transport. Each type of transport plays a crucial role in helping us travel from one place to another, whether it's for work, school, or fun. Let's get started and learn about these amazing vehicles. Let's start with the aeroplane. Aeroplanes are incredible machines that fly through the sky, carrying passengers and cargo over long distances in a short amount of time. They are essential for international travel and make it possible to visit faraway places quickly. Next up is the train. Trains run on tracks and can carry many passengers and goods over long distances. They are a popular choice for traveling between cities and towns, offering a comfortable and scenic journey. Now, let's talk about the scooter. Scooters are small, two-wheeled vehicles that are perfect for short trips around the city. They are easy to maneuver, fuel-efficient, and great for beating traffic. Moving on to the bus. Buses are large vehicles that can carry many passengers at once. They are a common form of public transport, making it easy for people to commute within cities and towns. Buses help reduce traffic and pollution by carrying multiple passengers in one trip. Here we have the bicycle. Bicycles are eco-friendly and great for exercise. They are perfect for short trips and exploring the neighborhood. Riding a bicycle is a fun and healthy way to travel. Let's not forget the truck. Trucks are powerful vehicles designed to transport goods and materials. They play a vital role in delivering products to stores, homes, and construction sites. Without trucks, it would be challenging to keep our supply chains running smoothly. Next, we have the car. Cars are one of the most common means of personal transport. They are convenient for family trips, daily commutes, and running errands. Cars come in various sizes and styles, offering comfort and speed for short and long journeys. Here is the electric rickshaw. Electric rickshaws are three-wheeled vehicles powered by electricity. They are an eco-friendly option for short-distance travel within cities, providing a smooth and quiet ride while reducing pollution. Now, let's talk about the motorcycle. Motorcycles are two-wheeled vehicles that are fast and efficient. They are great for navigating through traffic and traveling quickly over short to medium distances. Riding a motorcycle can be thrilling and convenient. Next up is the helicopter. Helicopters can take off and land vertically, making them ideal for reaching remote areas and providing emergency services. They are used for various purposes, including medical emergencies, rescue operations, and aerial tours. Let's talk about the boat. Boats are used to travel on water. They come in various sizes and types, from small rowing boats to large motorboats. Boats are perfect for fishing, leisure trips, and short-distance travel across rivers and lakes. Lastly, we have the ship. Ships are large vessels that travel on oceans and seas. They are used for transporting passengers and cargo over long distances. Ships are essential for international trade and provide a luxurious way to travel on the water. We've explored the different means of transport that help us move from one place to another today. From the speed of aeroplanes to the eco-friendliness of bicycles, each mode of transport has its unique features and benefits. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey. See you next time. Bye.